What's good, y'all? It's Akira here, back with another video. Guys, you loved my varsity jacket video where I showed you how you can make a varsity jacket with just a heat press. So today's video is going to be just about how you can make money with just a heat press. I'm going to show you different materials that you can use. I'm going to show you, if you want to make a clothing brand, how you can replicate your clothing items that you're going to make with your heat press, how you can buy clothes wholesale. I'm going to talk about all of that in this video so you can actually get up and start making these things and start making money. Or if you just want to make something for yourself, your friends, your family, you can do that as well. So like I said, I'm going to be showing you how I made these awesome projects here, how you can replicate them, and I'm going to talk a little bit about other items that you can make with just a heat press if you want to make that, you know, a small investment at first and move up to buying things at the Cricket and this again. So without further ado, enough of me talking, let's get into this video, this exciting video, and how you can make money with just a heat press. Oh, and guys, don't forget to follow me, subscribe. I am on the road to 50,000 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 50,000 subscribers before June. So let's see if we can make this happen. So don't forget to hit that follow button below. Share these videos wherever they can be shared properly or whatever the case is, and help me grow to 50,000 subscribers. So I showed you my 3 projects, but I want to show you guys a versatility of the type of items you can buy. So these right here, as you've seen on the tote bag, are Chantilly letters. I got these from Amazon. I will link them down below if you're interested in buying them. I thought they were cool colors. I thought this would look cool on a black background, and just to show just to, you know, create a canvas bag, and I thought these were cute letters. So this is just one of many products that you can buy. I also bought these crystal iron-on crosses, to kind of like the chrome heart jeans. So I bought these to put on my shorts, as you've seen. So again, a different type of product, iron on, and you can use that to customize anything: shorts, shirts, hats. I mean, there's tons of things that you can use. And then also butterfly iron on patches. So kind of the same thing with patches, but I don't want your minds to just think you can only get letter patches. You can get all types of patches from Amazon, from Etsy, or whatever. These are from Amazon as well, and I will link them down below in case you're interested in getting them. But that's just a short intro of types of things that you can put on your clothing, the type of patches that you can get. I'm going to show you how you can get some wholesale through AliExpress if you want to create multiples of items, for like if you have a clothing business, and then I'll show you how to find them on Amazon if you just want them to make these as a hobby for you, your friends, or whatever. Iron on patches on AliExpress, and as you can see here, there are so many options. Like I showed you the chrome heart jeans, that you can get 10 of these for $4. They have tons of options that you can choose, especially if you want to do this as a business. You'll need to get them at a lower cost. So AliExpress is a great option. You can also do iron-on patches and put in bulk, and you'll get even better prices for large lots of patches. So like for 14 of these hearts, like the can't think of the brand right now, but anyway, the hearts, you get 14 of these for $4. So you'd be able to use them on a single item, multiple items. It's just an easier way to get patches and iron-on products for a lower price. So now we're on Amazon, and I searched iron-on patches. Here you can see all the variety of patches they have. They have ones that like sneakers. They don't only have cartoon ones. They also have varsity letters. They have patches that are made out of jean and other materials. So there's tons of items that you can purchase on Amazon. I do recommend these for more of a hobbyist because they are at a higher price point, or if you're a small business owner and need patches in a hurry. So for those two, so if you didn't like any of those patches, you want something more specific for your brand. So you want your brand name. Say you want to do embroidered items, but you don't have like an embroidery machine. Getting custom made patches is very easy. You can get embroidered patches. You can send them a picture or something, they can embroider it for you. There's so many options. The best place to check on that for that is Etsy. It connects you with another small creator. You get to keep your money within the creative community, and it allows you to get something really custom for your brand. So I'm going to be showing you how I decorate this tote bag with my iron-on Chantilly letter patches, just to show you guys something different that you can do. So I have these patches here. I'm going to put them, no words or nothing, just going to put them in a cool pattern, and then I'm going to press them. You should always press your patches at 270 degrees. That'll give you a good press, and it won't melt them or the surface underneath usually. What I also loved about these patches is that it came with matching thread in case you did want to sew them down. But I'm just going to put them all out, arrange them in a pattern that I think is cute. Maybe I'll put a little NY in the middle somewhere, so it'll I put a little NY down here, then like put all the other letters around. I think that'll be cool, but I'll just play with it and you guys will see what I chose. Here you see me going ahead and adding butcher paper on top just to protect the Chantilly from the heat press. I'm gonna go ahead and press the letters to make sure they're adhered, and then that's literally all you have to do. Heat pressed items are so easy to make, fun, and a great way to get a business started. And here is a pair of shorts that I'm going to be working on to make the chrome heart inspired crystal gem, whatever you want to call them, shorts. So I'm going to do these rhinestone shorts, 5 on each side. So what you need to do with these is you only press these for about 30 seconds on 350. You need to remove this white backing, so you just press down on a hard surface to make sure that all the rhinestones are sticking to the white plastic. So you just press it down like this on a hard surface. I'm going to do it over here. Oh, you can see here, but press this down on a hard surface. Make sure that all the rhinestones are on the clear backing. Then you remove it, and then you firmly place where you want the cross to be. I want it to be right about here. Make sure it's upright. Then you just place it there until you're ready to press it. And I'm going to do that with the rest of these, and then come back to press it. Now you want to make sure you get all the wrinkles that I did on the areas where I'm actually going to be ironing. And remember to only hit these once for 10 seconds. So I'm going to do these top 3 and then these bottom 2. So like this, once they're cooled, you peel off the backing. And I got bling shorts. And here are the final results. I love these shorts, and I think these would be an easy project for you to make for your clothing brand or for your friends and family. Lastly, I got these oversized jeans, and I'm going to be putting some butterfly detailing at the bottom, so you guys can show you how you can customize denim. So I got these butterfly, and I'm going to cutely decorate these jeans in a pink theme. These are all the ones that I have to work with. So I'm going to put them just sporadically on the jeans, but I want to show you guys how you can also embellish products and make them your own with these butterfly iron-ons. Kind of place them where I wanted them. You know, you put the backing down. Just kind of want them to look like they're flying across the jeans. So I'm going to place these 3 and then place the other ones in their respective locations. So you put down your butcher paper. Like I said, I got this on 350. Press that down. I'm going to up the time to 30 seconds. I heated them for 30 seconds and then I repeated this for the rest of the butterflies across the jeans. And these will be linked down below where you can buy the same butterflies that I use from Amazon. And here's how they turned out. So one thing that I think I kind of skip out some on the channel, and I'm going to start including more care instructions. If you actually want to build a brand with iron-on products, you want to be able to tell your customers how to care for them. So iron-on products, they usually ask to be washed on the gentle cycle and to be dried on low heat, but preferably air dried, because you don't want the heat in the dryer to loosen up the bond between the patch and the clothing item or whatever item that you heat press the patches onto. So that is a tidbit for care instructions. Definitely always look them up on your own on Google, and definitely test things out for yourself to make sure that you can provide the best care instructions to your customers, clients, friends, family, but those are just tips from me to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to have more custom clothing videos, because I think I have a few great ideas that you guys may enjoy. But again, I always love to make the type of videos that you guys want to see, and also throw in a few ideas of my own. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.